Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted CapCut project in 2024. So if you just installed the CapCut app on your phone, you can easily recover deleted your projects. So for example, let's delete this project. Just move the trash and now your project is deleted. But if you accidentally delete the project, you can recover it from library. So here we go. You can tap on trash, and this is all deleted projects that you can recover. Here we go. You can restore your project from here. Let's get back. And this is the project that already restored from the trash. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.